Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be creating party versus daily makeup. So on the left side of my face I'm going to create a daily makeup look, and on the right side of my face I'm going to create a party makeup look. So first I am using the primer on the both side, and this is the Plum PETA-certified face primer. This primer minimizes pores, smoothens and evens out skin tone. Also makes my makeup stay all day long and gives me a perfect canvas to start my base makeup. Now on the right side, I'm going to use the Soft Blend Weightless Foundation and Soft Blend Liquid Concealer and Legit Matte Talc Free Compact. So the foundation and the concealer are super hydrating, easy to blend formula and long lasting. Also the foundation is infused with hyaluronic acid, which makes my skin look plump. After foundation and concealer, I am using the Legit Matte Talc Free Compact. It has SPF 15 to protect my skin from harmful UV rays, and it is very lightweight and giving a soft matte finish to my face. Now on the left side, I am going to use only Legit Matte Talc Free Compact. So on the right side, I am going to use Touch and Go Lip and Cheek Tint. So I am applying it on my cheeks and on my eyelid. This lip and cheek tint is highly pigmented. Also melts right into the skins, giving me the perfect flush of color. Next step, on the party side, I am using I Swear by eyeliner. And next I'm going to use the kajal and the mascara. On the left side for daily makeup, here I am going to use only the kajal and the mascara. For lipstick, on the right side I am using Matte in Heaven lipstick. This is a very dark shade and it is smudge proof, transfer proof, non-drying and highly pigmented liquid lipstick. And on the left side I am going to use Touch and Go Lip and Cheek Tint. I love the lipstick and I really love their Matte in Heaven lipstick. They are super comfortable, and also they have amazing shades on this range. So here is the finished look. Tell me which side you like the most. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.